हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अचीवर्स ऑलवेज विन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं थ्योरम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल। शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, और जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब किया है उनका धन्यवाद। तो शुरू करते हैं थ्योरम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल। स्टेटमेंट: व्हेन टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, the ratio of areas of those two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides। पहले हम यहाँ पे दो ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं। फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल ABC, another triangle suppose PQR given। When two triangles are similar means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Those triangles are similar, then ratio of areas of those two triangles is to prove ratio of areas of those triangles means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Then which are the corresponding sides of ABC and PQR? First, AB square upon PQ square is equal to another side BC square upon QR square, and third one side AC square upon PR square. That is our to prove. Then here we make one construction. Draw perpendicular from vertex A to side BC. Suppose here point D. Similarly, draw perpendicular from point P to say QR. Here is point S. Construction: draw sec AD perpendicular to sec BC and sec PS is perpendicular to sec QR such that that 3 points are one line means collinear. B dash D dash C points are collinear and Q dash S dash R. And last part is our proof. So that ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to corresponding side square. First, we have given here two triangles are similar. Which two triangles are similar? ABC and PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Reason given. Yes, triangles similar means sides are in proportion. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Write bracket reason corresponding sides of similar triangle. CSST full form corresponding sides of similar triangle. Write here equation number first. Then triangles similar, sides are proportion and angles are congruent. Here we write one pair of angle is congruent. Angle D is congruent to angle Q. Reason corresponding angle of similar triangle. Write here equation number second. Then here we show that two triangles are similar. Another two triangles. Which two triangles we show that similar? ABD and triangle PQS. Take that two triangles in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Here angle B is congruent to which angle? Q. Means we write here angle ABD is congruent to angle PQS. Reason from second. And we make here construction. AD is perpendicular to BC. PS is perpendicular to QR. Perpendicular means they are making angle 90 degree. Means angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ. Reason each angle 90 degree. Yes. Then triangles are similar. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. By which test? We learn in next previous video. Test of similarity. Two angles are congruent means two triangles are similar by which test? AA test. Means triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. Two angles are congruent means right here which test? AA test. Then triangles are similar means sides are in proportion. Hence we write here AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS is equal to AD upon PS, and write here reason corresponding sides of similar triangle, and write here new equation number 3rd. Then we know that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the product of their base and corresponding heights. We use here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the product of their base and corresponding height. Then which is the base of triangle ABC? ABC base BC. Multiply which is the height? AD. Similarly here PQR base QR and height is PS. Right here ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to corresponding is equal to product of base and height. Yes. Then BC upon QR multiply AD upon PS. AD upon PS means in equation number 3rd, AD upon PS is equal to BD upon QS, and BD upon QS is equal to which side? AB upon PQ. We substitute value here AB upon PQ. From which equation? From equation 3rd is equal to, but BC upon QR in equation number 1st, BC upon QR is equal to which side? AB upon PQ. We resubstitute the value of BC upon QR. AB upon PQ multiply AB upon PQ. From which equation? Equation number 1st. Then x into x we write x square. Similarly here AB into AB we write. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB into AB, AB square, and PQ into PQ, PQ square. We get the proof. First, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. And similarly we can prove that AB upon PQ is equal to which side? BC upon QR, means BC square upon QR square. Similarly BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, means we get AC square upon PQ square, AC square upon PR square. Here we write equation number 4, then 5 and then 6, and compare all three equations. We get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. That is our theorem of areas of two similar triangles. थ्योरम में से आपने प्रूव किया एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड स्क्वायर, मीन्स AB स्क्वायर अपॉन PQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वायर अपॉन QR स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर अपॉन PR स्क्वायर. एस तो यहाँ पे AB और PQ, AB PQ क्या है? ट्राइंगल के साइड से. First triangle ABC की side, AB, BC and AC are the sides of the triangle. Means we write here S1 square upon S2 square. And area of triangle ABC means write here area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2, or A1 upon A2 means area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. S1 and S2 are the sides of triangle and A1 and A2 are the areas of triangle 1 upon areas of triangle 2. Similarly, we can prove here AB upon PQ is equal to, we get AD upon PS, means we write here A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square is equal to AD and PS are their heights, means we write here H1 square upon H2 square. Also we represent that altitude is the median, means we write here M1 square upon M2 square. That we get the last formula A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square is equal to H1 square upon H2 square is equal to M1 square upon M2 square. क्वेश्चन में आपको हाइट दिए जाएंगे और फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ दैट टू ट्रायंगल्स. देन वी यूज A1 अपॉन A2 इज इक्वल टू H1 स्क्वायर अपॉन H2 स्क्वायर. अगर आपको मेडियंस दिए जाते हैं तो आप क्या यूज करते हैं, A1 अपॉन A2 इज इक्वल टू M1 अपॉन M2, और साइड दिए जाएंगे तो A1 अपॉन A2 इज इक्वल टू S1 स्क्वायर अपॉन H2 स्क्वायर यूज करने के आधार पर. वन एग्जाम्पल, the areas of two similar triangle are 9 cm and 16 cm. The ratio of their corresponding height is. We apply ratio of areas of two similar triangle theorem. First, let A1, A2 be areas of two triangles and H1, H2 be their heights. Then which values are given? Areas are given. Means A1 is equal to how much? 9 cm square and A2 is equal to 16 cm square. And we find out H1 and H2. We use theorem A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 square upon H2 square. Reason, theorem of areas of two similar triangles. Then substitute the values. A1 9, A2 16 is equal to H1 square upon H2 square. And we know that 9 is square of which number? 3 and 16 is square of 4. Hence we are taking here square root and we get value 9 is square of which number? 3 and 16 is square of 4 is equal to H1 upon H2 taking square root. Therefore H1 is to H2 is equal to 3 is to 4. That is our final answer. The ratio of their corresponding heights is 3 is to 4. उसी थ्योरम पर और एक एग्जांपल, ट्रायंगल ABC is similar to triangle PQR if AB is to PQ is equal to 4 is to 5. Find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR. First, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Given triangle similar, then ratio of those triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. S1 and S2 are their corresponding sides. Reason, theorem of areas of similar triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to S1 upon S2, means right here AB square upon PQ square are the sides. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ we have given 4 upon 5. Hence right here 4 square upon 5 square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Therefore, our final answer, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 is to 25. That is our final